How to quickly create a collage from a number of images. So for example, I have lots of images here and I want to put them a few on each sheet to create a collage. You can do this quickly and easily with Adobe Acrobat Pro installed. So all you do is open Adobe Acrobat Pro. To do this, you can just quickly select the files. So I'm going to pick the first one and then hold Shift key down and go to the last one. And then I'm going to drag and drop, which means left mouse and drop it into Adobe Acrobat Pro. Click yes. So this will convert all the images to PDF pages. If you go down, you have a page for each image. You've now got like 14 pages. So now, once you've done that, you click on print icon or file menu print. So normally it would print one per page, but what you can do, click on multiple, and then you can change what number across and a number down. So for example, this has got 2 across and 3 down, so this will create 3 pages in total. You can change it to whatever you want, and you can change it to, say, a landscape if you want to do that. You can do 3 across, 2 down, so a print like that. So you can just click print. If I use some software, I can look at the actual print output. So you can see it's going to print like that. So that was quick and easy to do. Also, you can change other settings as well. So say if you want high quality print, if you click on properties in your printer setup, you can select print quality high resolution. It might not be exactly the same place, it can be different places depending on printer driver. Just select high resolution there, click OK. In this case, I'm going to print it 3x4, get more on a page. Like that. So that's quick and simple. All the ones I want actually on the first page. So you can actually do print borders around each image as well. If you click on print page border, it'll do a black mark around each one. Look at more professional. If you're printing to a duplex printer, make sure that is unchecked. Otherwise it'll print on the reverse, and you probably don't want that because you want separate sheets for each collage that you can print up on the wall. And then just click print. You can do this with any number of images, and the images can be any quality, any size, and it will reduce them to the same area size. So this image here is a higher quality than the other ones, but it has reduced it so it will fit in this column. You can also reorganize the pages as well. So if you're not happy with the order, you want to change it, click on organize pages. I'm just going to expand this out so you can see more. You can just drag and drop the order that you want. So I'm going to actually put all the small ones at the top. Over here. That one over there. And you can get rid of ones as well. You can rotate as well. So I'm going to get rid of that one. And get rid of that one. So I've now got a page there. Click close. And now you'll see that the pages have been reorganized into that order. Click on File Print. So that's a bit more organized now. And click on Print. You can see this is a PDF output from this Spooku Viewer++ software. You can convert the print back to PDF. So this is a PDF copy, and you can easily just send this to somebody else to print it out, which is perfect. That's it. Give it a try.